Hi, I'm Amir. I'm 22 years old and I really love cars. So we've been in lockdown for almost 2 years and I haven't really been able to drive or go out or do anything really. I've been really bored. So now that things are starting to open back up, we are going for a drive. You might be wondering what I drive, so let's go find out. Nope. Man, it feels so good.
Really?
The traffic, the smoke, the bad weather. So it's a 2015 520D. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. It makes 184 horsepower. It's quite slow, to be honest, but feels good. It feels like a solid car. I've had it for almost 3 years now. Never had any complaints. Gonna take you guys along with me, going out, visiting places, like basically like a car-based lifestyle channel. Planning to modify the car, maybe a new body kit, maybe wrapping it, different color. So guys, if you enjoy the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it to your friends. It's a new channel, we just started out. We are gonna shoot some epic content, so stick around.